Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having amazing days, guys. Back again with a really special video for you guys. So in this video I'll be sharing with you guys how to protect your smartphone cables from getting nicked, or if it's already nicked, how to really protect it from completely coming apart. So as you guys know, we use our cable almost everywhere, ranging from our offices to our cars and also in our home. So there are three different techniques which I'll be sharing with you guys in order to increase the life of your cable. The first one is kind of unique, and it's the one I've been using for a really long time, is like putting springs around the cable. So you want to put one spring on the input side and one spring on the output side. So basically what this is going to do is it's going to protect the cable from turning to a certain point, due to which you won't feel the problem of your cable coming apart. The place where you plug the smartphone in, like that point and the cable point which goes into the adapter, these are like the really fragile one. They really do come apart pretty easily. So you want to put two springs, one on the end of your smartphone and one on the adapter end. So this way it's going to protect your smartphone cable from coming apart. The second one on the list is pretty much pretty normal one, or pretty common to be honest, but I see people doing it after their cable is cracked or coming apart. So basically you want to put some electrical tape on a new cable, so this way it won't get nicked pretty easily and it's going to increase the life of the cable. You can use any color you like, but black one looks really cool if you have a black cable, and white electrical tape looks good if you have a white cable. So anyways, third on the list is also a unique one, just like the first one. It's like putting some thread around the cable. I know this trick is common too, but I don't see a lot of people doing it. So what you want to do is you want to wrap some thread around the cable. If you have the time, you can wrap the entire cable in this thread. So this way not only it's going to look pretty cool, but also it's going to protect it from coming apart. To be honest, I used it on my earbuds cable, on my earbuds charging cable, and basically the cable outlasted the earbuds itself, because wrapping the thread around it, it kind of looks cool. You can use different colors if you like, and it basically makes the cable really nice and hard so it doesn't come apart. So anyways, that was pretty much it for this video. So if this video was helpful, you can give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing or become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.